Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Faith and Flower. This is Robin, and today is Friday, the last day of my weekly cleaning series. If you enjoy cleaning videos, this is for you, and if you'd like to see the other 4 days, I will link them in the description box below. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Friday is the day that I accomplish my vacuuming and mopping. I get some extra help from my Roomba, which I've scheduled to come on Friday mornings. It cleans the main area of the house and gives me a head start on my cleaning, and if something happens to keep me from getting my task done for the day, then at least the high traffic areas are done. When the Roomba is finished, I will use the dust pad on my Norwex mop to go over the hardwood floors and pick up any dust that the Roomba might have missed. Then I will vacuum the areas of the house where the Roomba doesn't go. I'll also go over the kitchen floor with a vacuum, even though the Roomba has already been there, just because some crumbs get pushed up underneath the cabinets and in between the chairs where the Roomba just doesn't reach super well. I'm using my Norwex mop again, this time with the tile pad. All I need is water to clean the floors, and you would not believe how much stuff this gets up. It makes my floors so clean, and all I need is water, so I don't have to purchase any floor cleaning products, and I know that everything is all natural and non-toxic.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
When the mopping's finished, it only takes a few minutes for the floors to dry, and I like to finish things up by watering all of my houseplants. I especially love taking care of my orchids. I have 4 of them and they are like my babies. I water them every Friday, and about every other week I use a fertilizer that's made for orchids. I put about a cup of this into each plant, let it drain out of my sink, and then I give it a good spritz with some water so that they have some humidity. Spring is my favorite time of year for many reasons, but one of which is that this is when my orchids will start blooming, and one is just about ready to open up, and I'm just so excited. That's it for my weekly cleaning routine series. I hope you found some inspiration and motivation for cleaning your home. And I hope that you will return to my channel, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.